Hi, I'm Samantha Kayla from Bird Sitting Toronto. Today, we're taking a tour of Bird Sitting Toronto, located by Square One Mall, Mississauga. Come on, let's take a look. Bird Sitting Toronto is equipped for all your bird needs. Here we have a dedicated area for play and free flight in our custom walk-in aviary. Bird Sitting Toronto is your bird's home away from home. Along with boarding, we also offer other services such as grooming, DNA sexing, rehoming, and pickup drop-off services. Bird Sitting Toronto has welcomed many birds of all types to our flock, and it's only growing. I am the proud author of Parrot Parenting. During our warmer seasons, select birds can experience our outdoor aviary where they can take in the views of Huron Heights Park. Bird Sitting Toronto is proud to have served the bird community with over 300 five-star reviews. We have many testimonials that speak to our bird service. Bird Sitting Toronto boarding includes full hours here at Bird Sitting Toronto.